Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it and click at the bottom right corner. Then choose Got It and tap on the month above. Over here, pick a date. I will go with that one. And click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, select event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour or ending one, but you can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here, you can change color, take notes, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, add location, and even add people from your contact book. Select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now save your event by tapping on the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then click on save again. You can also delete it by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!